collection, what we wanted to do is we wanted to introduce every kind of clothing. So we wanted to do occasional wear, casual, urban, smart wear, and we really wanted to focus on skirts, because part of being modest, especially within our culture, within our religion, is kind of wearing skirts or long flowy things. And a lot of us don't wear abayas, so skirts is a brilliant alternative which works for anyone, no matter what religion or what community you're from, if you want to dress modestly. So that was one of our main focus.
The quality is one thing that we were really particular about. We were like, look, the customers are going to buy once, and for them to keep coming back, the quality is has to be 10/10. So that's something that we were not going to scrimp on. So to get that response now, when they're feeling the items in person and saying the quality is amazing, you guys have done amazing with the collection, it honestly was all worth it.
This is the second year, and I'm surprised that more and more people have not done the same thing. I'm starting to feel in 2025 more retailers, supermarkets that are starting to do various different home products, but still not really big in the food market. About 3 years ago, we worked on a whole rebrand of Farmhouse Biscuits, and we spent a lot of time working and developing a lot of new products, both for our all year round range, our gifting range, and various different seasonality. We're based in Nelson in Burnley, and over 75% of our employees are Muslim. So they were coming to us going, well, we're creating all of these new products, why can't we do something for the Muslim community? Because Eid is really big, and there is a big gap in the market there.
That's why I said this is perfect for her. We've had Right. Okay, so we have it on Instagram, website, and obviously
we have so much more of a disposable income. Things have changed significantly, and if you are not, I mean, our basic needs are being met, which is great, but our wants aren't necessarily being heard. Just change up your minibar, make it a little bit more friendly, pop in some mocktails, drinks that we would actually purchase and enjoy. You know, where you've got maybe a Bible, see if we want a copy of the Quran. That's not always a necessity, but it's that extra touch.
Great to see Muslim business people, whether they're female or male, and I think for females it's amazing because it's kind of, we have this perception that women are oppressed and etc. And I think the more business women are out there and they still stick to their faith and everything, I think it's amazing going forward.
Okay.
There's been a huge increase, and one of the reasons for that is due to Ramadan becoming more and more popular, and also the non-Muslims getting involved with the event and actually coming down. You don't have to be Muslim to come down to this shopping event.
वो देते हैं या सिल्वर वाला